My name is Urmila Nimangune and today's topic is data types. Before starting data types, first we will see what is data. Data is nothing but the information which is any entity in the real world. In order to store that data, we need medium. There are total two types of data or data types which are present in Java programming language. First one is primitive data types and second one is non-primitive data types. In primitive data types there are two sections. First one is numeric and second one is non-numeric. In non-numeric data types, boolean and char are present. Then we will see one by one of those. Boolean data types are used to store only two values, that is true or false. In case of checking condition, we used Boolean data type. In Boolean data type, there is a flag that is used to check the condition. Then character. Everything in Java is string. But if we want to single alphabet, then we need character data type. For declaring character data type, we need caret method, and that caret method in parenthesis index is given. That index shows the index of alphabet. That is first alphabet is our character. Then there are six numeric data types. First one is byte, second one is short, then integer, and then float and double. We will see one by one. Byte data type, it is used to save memory. In the case we need to store a single small number, and in case of memory management, some programs are memory bounded, and when we need smaller memory, then there is no use of integer, that is waste of memory. In this case, we store the data into byte. Byte stores 8 bits. Then second one is short. Short is 2 times smaller than integer. It is also used when there is a memory bound. Then integer is default data type. When there is no memory bound, we just use integer. Then double is used in case we need more memory, or we need to declare a long number. And then there are two which are floating and double. Floating number are used in case of declare floating points, and double is same as floating point, but the difference is it is used to store long number. That's it.